So guys, welcome to the channel again. So today is on a Sunday. I just want to do a weekly recap of how the whole of last week was, and I want to see if I can get a very interesting trade on next week, which is tomorrow on Monday. So let me go to weekly time frame and draw my zones on a weekly time frame. As you can see, this is an up and a downward movement of GBPUSD is in a downward trend. So we shall look forward to find a very good selling trade. So let me draw my zone first. The very zones that have been respected so much. Okay, let me draw my zones which have been respected severally, so that I could consider those zones as a rejection zone. I'm drawing the zone which has multiple rejection on GBPUSD, so that I can find a very interesting sell trade on GBPUSD. So stay tuned and watch this video up to the end. I may also show you various pairs that you can get your sell trade or buy trades, today being on Sunday. Okay, so let me go down to a lower time frame. I was on a daily time frame, so I'm going to a 4-hour time frame. I want to show you on how we can catch up a sell trade on GBPUSD by doing a top-down analysis. So we were on a daily time frame. So as you can see, this is a channel that I drawn. I caught a buy trade from here to here. From that point that I'm showing you right now, I caught a buy trade up to there, where I got a very good pips. Okay, so I'm looking forward to sell this market right now. As you can see, our market is on a downtrend move. So let's draw our trend line from the upside there up to the downside here. As you can see, this is a very good selling opportunity that we are looking for. So as you can see, that trend line is so much respected. We can catch a very good sell trade on this GBPUSD. We can, for the whole of next week, we are looking forward to sell this market. So what we are looking for is a selling opportunity on GU. Okay, so you can as well draw our channel. From that point. So this GBPUSD for the whole of next week, it will be following our channel. So let me go down to a lower time frame as I show you how these trades are going. So this is 1 hour time frame. As you can see, the market is so clear that it's in a downward move. Okay, let me reduce the market so that you can see the clear picture of how the market behaves. So I'm going to show you on how to catch a very good trade on GU. So I'm doing a top-down analysis because I want to see the clear entry where we can take our entry. Let me if you can see, this zone is the zone which is highly respected. Okay, there's a rejection there, a rejection here, another rejection there, another multiple rejection. So let me show those rejection. There's a rejection here, there's another rejection here, there's a very multiple another rejection here, These are very many rejection that has been respected. Another rejection there, and another rejection there, and there are very another here. So there are very many multiple rejection that are being respected by this zone. So we are looking forward for this zone to be broken. Okay, so let me explain the market so that you can get a clear picture of the market on what I'm showing you as well. We have a trend line, an upper trend line. Let me draw for you that trend line. Let me draw for you. So as you can see, there is an upward movement of the market, and our trend line has been broken. This upward trend line has been broken. This is just a mini trend line inside our main trend line. Okay, so our mini trend line has been broken, as you can see, has been broken and has touched our zone. Okay, has been broken. Upon the broken of our trend line, we can see a retest. Okay, our trend line has come to be retested, and that's not only our confirmation. We also have this zone here which has come to be retested. Okay, that's a very interesting zone where you could capitalize on your trades and take your risk. Okay, so what you are looking for the whole of next week is a sell trade. We are looking for to break our zone. Okay, that zone will be broken as well for the whole of next week. So tomorrow being on Monday, I'll be selling GBPUSD. I'll be looking for any opportunity in the market to sell this trade. Okay, I'll sell from here to here, but I don't know if I get okay, that's a 1:5 risk reward ratio, 1:5. That's a very interesting trade that everyone can capitalize on. Okay, so your stop loss will be set just above where our zone has been retested, just above that week. And 1:5 risk reward is a very good trade to capitalize on. Okay, so let's continue analyzing our market. Okay, so let me see if I can go to other pairs and find any trade. Let me go to GBPUSD. I don't know if I will get any trade on GBPUSD. I don't know if I'll get any trade to GBPUSD. As you can see, GBPUSD is on a buy trade. It's on a buying trend. Okay, and there was a very serious consolidation area on GBPUSD whereby it was broken. Okay, but it's on a clear upward move. GBPUSD is on a clear upward move. So people had already done some of my analysis. I drew my lines, trend lines and horizontal lines, and they have been broken. Upon the broken of our consolidation area, there was a retest at our upward zone, which is a resistance. Okay, there was a break. Our resistance zone was being broken and retested. Okay, so I don't think if I will find any trade on GBPUSD, but if I may take any trade on GBPUSD, I'll be looking for a buying opportunity on this market. what I will look for is any retracement on GBPUSD, then I take a buy. Let me look for Euro USD and see if I can get any trade. Of course, when GU is buying at the same time, Euro USD is buying, okay, because Euro USD and GBPUSD, they correlate to each other. The direction is at the same place, okay. If Euro USD is selling, GBPUSD is also selling. So if you are an SMC, you can see our zone has been there's a break of structure, whereby what you shall look for, we'll be looking for any fair value gap upon break of structure. This is a break of structure, so you look for a fair value gap or any imbalance or any supply zone area where you can sell your market. Of course, you won't go into the market blindly without looking for various confirmations. So Euro USD is a sell also from tomorrow, is a sell. So let me go forward. I don't know if I look for gold, although I don't trade gold. Gold is very tough, okay, but guys, I don't know if I will trade gold. But guys, make sure on gold I won't trade. I don't even want to see the analysis, but I'll analyze it later. So guys, that's about this video. Go up and subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. We shall meet the next video, whereby I'll be growing a $10 account to a $1,000 account, and don't fail to miss it, guys. Okay, so bye bye.